Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, it's almost the apocalypse. Alright, the stores are empty. And yeah, so probably on today we're gonna check out the snow and stuff. Have a slight snow adventure and stuff. These shelves, they're empty. Hella yo ho, I got the little rum right here, tell yo ho, hella yo ho. When the apocalypse of the blizzard hits you, gotta drink some rum, hella yo ho. When your channel's not succeeding, have some rum, hella yo ho. A sad bargain's life for me. Was the rum always gone? Hey, would you look at that? We're outside. Huh. We're gonna go to the backyard. Yeah, apocalyptic. This is probably like, you know what's strange? Now you see, this ground is not touched, right? Well, but you see over there, it's been touched. Let's see if we can climb this big old wall hunk. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.